So what happened to you yesterday? You were lifting and what happened?
I was doing back exercise, going like this, and next time I just said, bah. Jesus. Oh.
Got you down. There.
Jesus. Wow.
So you just got up.
I swear.
Come to home church.
Jesus. I didn't see one coming.
Welcome to home.
You are the blessing. You are. This is not real hope. You're giving me real hope.
So what happened to you yesterday? You were lifting and what happened?
I was doing back exercise, going like this, and next time I just said, bah. I don't know, maybe not from my head, I hear what, you know, when your mind and your this thing, I just said, bah, I just stopped. Maybe to get up was a problem. I just knew something was wrong. So I had to yesterday was, I
So
was
it's still fresh. It happened yesterday. It's not like some cases where it's 6 months ago or a year ago and so. So it's mostly just this lower back, no upper back or neck pain. Not at all. So you can turn more. So you can turn more to your right. Turn to your left. Yes, restricted.
yeah.
Now that's why I always tell people that yes, the pain and the symptom is here, but we're checking the spine as a whole because reduced range of motion can obviously lead to pain or restriction in the future. So we're going to address one thing, also address other areas as well, even if it's not as severe. Allow the head to just move.
Jesus. Jesus. You know that saying. You know that saying for church where pastor push you go back. And you receive it.
You don't receive it.
I don't receive that. Jesus. No, I felt that.
But you didn't say Jesus, you said Jesus. How many S is there for the end? Okay, you put dot.
Yo. I don't know why I'm laughing, but you know.
You can sit up.
I'm like, who listened to this thing yesterday?
Which one?
This thing that
You just sit to go.
this that I was getting up yesterday.
You have to roll over.
I love doing this.
Okay, get up properly so they will know you're showing me.
Like, it was so funny. Yesterday I couldn't get up. I was in so much pain.
Come to this one. Okay, this one you will definitely feel more than the other ones. Okay. Your stomach down. Relax.
Oh. Oh. Wow. No, I'm just surprised, I swear. I'm actually just surprised.
It's feeling more loose.
Yeah. Very, very.
I got you down. There.
Jesus.
Let me head down some more. Down. Okay. You can get up.
Wow.
So you just got up.
I swear. Come to Hope Church. You know those videos where they see for church, where person no fit waka, yeah? Where they just touch am, where they just dey waka. Bro, you like say na wetin dey happen to me like this. I swear.
You didn't come in with your that
Walk, I have to jump into the car. Yeah. You see where I went to go and do my x-ray yesterday? The guy, as I just dey come down from the guy, the guy just dey shout, sorry. The guy just dey pity me, bro. Na so I just dey come down. Jesus, I just dey shout, Jesus.
That day you remember Jesus.
Oh no.
You never remember Jesus as you feel good now.
And you know, say as I just dey call am, say, Jesus, I still thank you.
You see, yeah, that's the way.
No, I love this. This is mad.
So this one will help to decompress the spine. You saw this one, right?
Yeah, I saw this.
So I'm going to stretch and then make a quick adjustment.
Okay.
Bring your hand to your chest.
Jesus. I didn't see that one coming.
Felt it more here.
Yeah.
Everything is opening up. I think that's you.
No, I'm bringing my missus here. She has to try this now. She has to try this. Nah, I'm not going to lie to anybody. What?
Welcome to Hope.
You are the blessing. You are. This is not real hope. You're giving me real hope.
Thank you.
Well, would you say I have to take time off from the gym?
For now, at least till your movement is life, so I'm not saying you will stop working out.
Okay.
But let's make sure things are more stable.
Okay.
Before you go to build.
Okay.
If you have to build on a foundation that's not stable, you know what happens, right?
True that.
So come, you rest for about 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
I'll come and get you in this time.
Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing
No.
Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.